Wilton here on another cold dog walk, AI talk. It is literally 5 degrees Fahrenheit, that is, here in Texas. Golly, it's really cold. And with that coldness, I had to walk my dog, obviously. Got to take him out for walks to make sure he gets his walks in. And I get my time with you. And my time with you here is about AI. Listen, I know you hear it all the time, but AI is important. Being with a consultant, understanding how to use your business, how to get your business to use AI and automation to its most effective ability right now, not tomorrow, but right now, is important. Listen, don't look for all glossy and gleamy and pretty looking gadgets and hearing about all this other stuff. What are you working with now? Get with a consultant, allow us to help you understand where to place AI and automation based on what you're doing right now. Once you understand that, then you can take it from there and go wherever you want to go. But at least you have a blueprint that will take you places now in 2026. If you need more information, want more information, reach out. DM me here. We'll send you a business audit report so you can do it for yourself and see what it's all about. Have a great day. And Dallas and Wilton, another dog walk, AI talk. God bless.